and raise your right hand and repeat after me. I,
Jason P. Almonte,
having been
elected as Congressman of the 1st District of Misamis Occidental,
hereby solemnly swear
I will
that I will faithfully discharge
and faithfully discharge
the best of my ability the duty of my present position
the duties of my present position,
and over others
above all others
I may hereafter hold under the Republic of the Philippines, that I will support and defend the Constitution of the Philippines.
and defend the Constitution of the Philippines,
I will bear true faith
that I will bear true faith
and
allegiance to the same,
and that I will obey the laws,
and that I will obey the laws,
legal orders, and the promulgated
and decrees promulgated
by the duly constituted authorities of the Republic of the Philippines, and that I impose this obligation upon myself voluntarily without mental reservation or purpose of evasion. So help me God.
So help me God.
Congratulations to Congressman Jason P. Almonte.